Hey girlies, it's Lexindygurl here. We are talking about top 12 makeup items that you need for your makeup kit. Have you ever wondered what you needed? Well, stay tuned. Before we get into this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you're new, so you'll get notified every time I post a video. Hey guys, so we're talking about the top 12 makeup items that you need for your makeup kit. So one of the reasons why I decided to make this video is when I started trying to become a makeup artist and getting into it, and of course I watched other YouTubers like Angie D. Ballatista. She's really awesome, and she kind of showed like a video of what to use, what not to use, what to have like in your makeup kit. And I was just really confused because what she was talking about in her video, it really didn't work for me. And then I just kind of simplified it, and I just got all the basics, and then I went and just kind of kept adding more and more and more. First things first, your Micellar Water. This is going to help with cleaning your face of any dirt and grime or debris. Really love this, y'all. And it's also a great makeup remover too. Item number 2, 91% Isopropyl Alcohol. This is what's going to clean all of your items, whether it's brushes, products such as your brow pomade, your eyeshadow palettes. You want to make sure that if you start using makeup on other people, you're very, very clean. Next thing, any moisturizer of your choice. I personally I have dry skin, so I like to use the Palms or either CeraVe. Item number 3, the makeup round remover thing. You may need this to kind of wipe away mistakes, take off makeup, redo makeup. It just kind of depends on whatever you need it for. This is an item that I usually always forget, and it's really, really small, but it's the lash glue, the Duo Lash Glue. Your beauty blender. This is very universal. It can be sometimes used in place of a brush. Let's say you don't really have the right brush, or the right brush that you love to use is dirty. You can just dab out everything and make it flawless. Now you have your small makeup scissors. This is gonna help cut your lashes to the right size and also make them the correct size for your eye. Concealer. This can kind of come in any different color or any brand that you want. Right now this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I kind of use this all the time, mainly because it's just quick and easy to use. Setting powder. So this is the Makeup Revolution Banana Deep. This is an amazing setting powder, especially for women of color. It doesn't leave like a white casing on your face. It just kind of blends in with your foundation. Next you have your foundation. So I kind of like to use drugstore foundation. It's medium coverage, and you can also make this into full coverage just by adding a little setting powder to it, and it'll be a little bit thicker. Tweezers. Tweezers are a must for trying to put on your lashes, that way so you can get close to your lash line. I personally like the bottlenose tweezers instead of the round ones like you usually see in the store, because they can get really close to your lash line and you don't have to really be afraid of them. So this is optional, where you have your lash holder. Sometimes I like to use this to just place the lash on my eye and then use the tweezers to continue with the placement, but you totally don't have to use this. Next you have your face primer. This is going to be helpful when you put on before you put on your foundation, so that the foundation has something to cling to. It just kind of depends on which one you use, and if you like the jelly form or like a brownish thin form. It just kind of depends on you.